Without any changes to the existing network cabling architecture, PoE technology enables a twist pair copper cable to provide both data transmission and DC power to devices, such as wireless access points, voice over IP phones, network cameras, etc., which help realize the maximum network convergence of lighting systems, voice exchange systems, sensor systems, ventilation control systems, building automation control systems, and structured cabling systems. PoE standard has evolved from IEEE 802.3AF to IEEE 802.3BT. This standard introduces new PoE Type 4 and raises the power transmitted from 15.4 watts to a maximum of 100 watts, which can meet the demands for high-power applications like LED lights or even charging laptop batteries. Compared with traditional cabling systems for building networks, PoE cabling solutions are safer with low-voltage supplies, flexible and scalable designs, and energy-saving features that make cabling installation an easy, straightforward process while lowering investment and future operation costs. Vericom PoE cabling solutions consist of high-performance Cat6a cables, keystone jacks, and patch cords. Apart from the aforementioned solutions, Vericom also offers a field-terminated plug that eliminates work area outlets and patch cords, and can be terminated on-site for quick connections to end devices directly. The temperature of a cable naturally rises due to heat generation from its copper conductors, resulting in an increase of transmission loss and aging of its outer jacket. Vericom Cat6a cables have better control over temperature rise than the TIA standard to maximize the lifespan of cabling infrastructure. Vericom keystone jacks are designed and tested to eliminate the damage to the contacts caused by the arc phenomenon under load, which can effectively extend the service lifespan of the products. Vericom is committed to providing future-ready cabling solutions for your network infrastructure. Vericom, the future of technology today.